This is the Japanese yen daily chart, and what we can see from yesterday is that the currency is trying to break the trend dragon support line right here. If it does that, it could potentially go to this line here, which is the bottom of the triangle configuration. So the two level to look at is 120 figure and 117.10, or even 117.17 figure. So there is probably about 70 pip on the downside and over 100 pip on the upside. Let's be clear on that. So if it breaks down here, we have 70 pip down, and if he goes back up to 120, there's a 214 pip. And if it breaks that level at 120 figure, it will basically confirm the continuation pattern. The next level of resistance, it would be about another 147 pip. Uh, of course, we want to trade what we can see, not what we would like to see. Um, it's very the Japanese yen is a bit difficult to make a good decision, but let's see in the next couple of days what we can do. So we'll go to the hourly chart, and maybe I'll expand it a little bit. Okay, so the hourly chart is showing us pretty much a downtrend happening now. I'll try to put it better here. It's not perfect, but it's pretty much where we would be. So right now it looks like the currency is following that downtrend channel, and the level on the downside to look at then is going to be here until it goes it could go back up if it follows it. Okay, there is hourly right now, it doesn't give you trend dragon doesn't give you any signal. So on the downside, you may want to go into the lower time frame to if you want to follow that downtrend channel. But the upside is quite better, because if you want to go to the upside, you would want to wait for the break of this channel here, which would be around 118 118.73, something like that. In any case, right now it looks like the currency is trying to reach that level here, could potentially go back up and want to go back down to 1710 before resuming its move back up. So the two level to look out to, which could potentially give us a better idea on the next direction of the currency, would be 117.10 or about, and the 120 figure. A bit difficult to trade right now, the Japanese yen, because it's so volatile and choppy. So if you go on the downside, be very careful. It would be better to wait and see how things are unfolding before making a decision. On the upside, I would look at the behavior around 118.84 to see if he wants to break that back up, to go back to the 120 and try to break that as well. On the downside, I will look at the level of 117.74, see what it does at that level, and be very cautious with tight stop loss and take profit protection. So that's it for the Japanese yen. Hopefully, the next couple days will give us a better indication of what the currency wants to do.